Hello, let me show you how you can easily remove your straps from the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. So first of all, we have to rotate our device, and when you take a look on the bottom side of this device, we can find this attachment right here, the strap, and this silver button. So if you want to remove your strap, you will have to use your fingernail and move it to the left side, like this. Now you will be able to actually move your strap out of this small holes that you can find right here. Let me just focus on this. There we go. Right here and right here. And now if you want to put it back, you will have to start from this part. You will have to input first like that. Take a look. Now put this second part over attachment and move this button, the silver button, to the left side like that, and then release. As you can see, it's actually quite simple, and that's how you can actually remove and then put it back on your Redmi Watch 5 Lite. Thanks for watching.